In Odoo accounting, understanding payment states is crucial for proper correction procedures. Payments progress through three distinct states, each requiring different correction approaches. Draft payments can be directly canceled without any complex procedures. Posted payments require a formal reversal process to maintain proper accounting records. Reconciled payments must first be unreconciled before they can be reversed. Odoo versions 17 and 18 have introduced significant improvements to payment management. These versions feature enhanced user interfaces, automated reconciliation capabilities, and more intuitive reversal workflows. The recommended approach for payment correction follows a three-step methodology: cancel, reverse, and recreate. This systematic process ensures proper audit trails and maintains accounting integrity. Role-based access control is essential for maintaining compliance during payment modifications. Different user roles have specific permissions for payment operations, ensuring proper authorization and audit trails. Following best practices ensures smooth payment corrections. Always aim to reverse payments within the same accounting period to maintain accurate financial reporting. Document all correction reasons and maintain proper approval workflows for significant amounts. Odoo provides three primary methods for correcting customer payments, each designed for different payment states. The method you choose depends on whether your payment is in draft, posted, or reconciled status. Method 1 is direct cancellation, used for payments that are still in draft status. These payments haven't been posted yet, so they can be canceled without creating any journal entries. Method 2 is payment reversal, used for payments that have already been posted. This creates offsetting journal entries to maintain a proper audit trail while correcting the payment. Method 3 is for reconciled payments that have already been matched with invoices. You must first unreconcile the payment before you can reverse it, then optionally re-reconcile with a corrected payment. Remember these important best practices. Always document your payment reversals with detailed reasons. Use Odoo's built-in reversal functionality rather than manual journal entries. And ensure proper timing by reversing payments in the same accounting period when possible.